big ass hands and these gloves on. This shit hard. Oh, this will work.
Right where you want it.
Just like that.
That's where you want it?
Yep.
You ready? You don't have to hold it. No, I'm just hacking it.
Oh yeah. Let me get pliers to hold it down on the other side. Oh no, that should look
Grab
good.
the next one. Just grab the other one. As long as it's on there, I don't need someone else to hold it.
Yeah, cause you can melt that shit down. Where's the other washer at?
Fab.
I got one over there. That's still over there. At least now I can get 2 bathrooms.
Hmm?
At least now I got 2 bathrooms before I get. Let's make this up.
Damn.
I got another one. That's why I got another one. Just in case.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, I got another one. Yeah, I got another one. Just in case. I knew that was going to happen. I'll try to put it right for the computer screen. And you can wire it well and go crazy if you want, man. That's cool.
So that's already melting that shit.
Yeah, you're going to melt it all down, you know what I mean? That's just a guide where you need to stack it up, basically. You know what I mean? Now you could go hard on that bitch. Like, just don't go higher, super higher than I think, because
Oh, it's fucking my foot. Ow.
Damn!
I'm burning my foot.
Melted his foot!
It smells like burnt hair.
It ain't good. Oh, I'm running out of wax. Trevor got to weld. I can't weld without wax.
You want it higher than that?
Oh yeah, I want the washer not to be noticeable. Just weld it all in, and then I'll grind it down.
Higher than that?
Yeah, weld it all in, and then I'll grind it down.
Okay.
Dude, it don't even work. You know what I mean? Just go melt it all in.
I mean, I don't know how much you want, so I just stopped, you know.
Weld the whole washer.
The spot where I figured, you know.
Yeah.
You said don't go too much higher than the washer, so
yeah, just weld the whole washer in, so there's no gap in the middle, basically, of both, and then we're good. And then I'll grind it right down. Yeah, just like that. A button, nigga. Woo! My boy making buttons.
Oh, you bitch.
Damn, what happened to it?
Good job. You piece of shit. Not my fucking phone.
We're making buttons. Grip buttons. Inside of me? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, little buttons. Button stops. Trevor said you need that welding practice. Fuck in my eyes. In my socks, nigga. What the fuck? Look, yeah, 2 matching socks today.
You want more than that?
Yeah, higher. Just like you see how it's...
one more pass.
Yeah. Just more. I'd rather higher than less. You know what I mean? Because then I have to take it back off. Damn, you're so gonna taking a beating. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look like a sty.
$60, nigga.
$60!
Hey, that's how much real welders be pricing that shit out. They barely do fucking anything. They be like $100, nigga.
Gilbert? Trying to charge me Gilbert prices.